Namaste people, what's up? Today we are Sajna Bhai और बहनों once more welcome back to my channel. और आज का वीडियो होने वाला है इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो. मैं लिटरली 4 वीडियोस डालने के बाद आई हैव रियलाइज्ड एंड माय फ्रेंड्स मेड मी रियलाइज दैट तूने इंट्रोडक्शन का वीडियो ही नहीं दिया भाई यूट्यूब को. कैसे पता चलेगा तुम कौन हो? तो चलो आई हैव टू लिसन टू देम एंड आई थॉट टू डू एन इंट्रोडक्शन वीडियो. बट ये इंट्रोडक्शन थोड़ा डिफरेंट होगा क्योंकि आई डेंट प्रिपेयर द क्वेश्चंस. These all questions are done by my parents. They prepared it. They were like, okay, we'll give you the questions and you will be answering all of them. So I don't know what they discussed. I don't know what they did. It's not even my handwriting. It's my parents' handwriting. It's my mom's. Yeah, so will try to answer and you will get to know me much better. What do I do for a living? Where do I live? Where was I born? All of these questions. So chalo, I'm expecting these questions to be in there. That's the reason I'm telling all this. Okay, let's see. And this is gonna be my first time shooting about my own self to in a video. Oh my god, this is so not my thing, but yeah. So we'll have to start the introduction. And yeah, guys, please do comment down if I am if you think I'm getting too nervous about it or I'm being too extrovert towards YouTube. तो चलो I need your comments guys. Comments ही नहीं मिलते यार. Comment तो कर दिया करो. देखते हो पर comment नहीं करते. तो चलो I have to start the video now. I know you guys are waiting. Guys, let's start off with the questions now. I have 50 questions with me. Oh my god! And it's all written by my parents as I already told you. And this is Ambil. Oh, I forgot. I actually wrote on my hand. I just keep on forgetting what it's called. But yeah, it's a Maharashtrian dish which I absolutely love. We all the time make it. It's not only for the season, but we make it all the time. And it's very good. So yeah, let's start off with the questions. What is my full name? My name is B. Ayushka Yadav. What are my parents' names? My parents' names are B. Shankar Yadav and B. Sheila Yadav. Do I have a sibling? I do have a sibling. He is elder. He's 5 years elder than me. His name is Rohan. Okay, Rohan Yadav. And where was I born? I was born in Maharashtra in a very small village. So yeah, I'm a Maharashtrian, guys. I know Marathi. Mala Marathi yete, guys. When was I born? I was born on 18th of June. So yeah. Okay. And where do I live now? I live in Hyderabad right now. And yeah, it's in Telangana in Hyderabad as okay. What do I study? I am in 12th, guys. I do not have a job. I do not earn. But yeah, I am studying right now. I am still in 12th. Yeah, I've just completed my first year and now I'm in second year. So yeah, what grade I am in? 12th. And what stream am I in? I am in MPC. I am a math student, but I love science. Science was something I wanted to choose, but I didn't have option to choose BPC or commerce, so I had to choose MPC. I really don't like math, but I love science. So yeah, but I had no choice, so I'm a math student now. Okay, what are my hobbies? My hobbies are reading novels. Okay, this has become too much. ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, पर हाँ, I love reading novels and I love swimming. Swimming is my hobby. I love boxing and sports is something what I love the most. So I'm a sporty girl. Okay, chalo. Do I have any pets? I currently don't own a pet, but yeah, I used to have 4 pets. All of them are dogs, and I always love to have a pet. I had a dog recently and it died for some reason, so yeah. Where did I grow up? I actually came from Maharashtra to Hyderabad when I was 4 or 5. So yeah, I was completely grown up in Hyderabad in Telangana. So it's not like I don't know Telugu. నాకు Telugu వచ్చు guys. I can speak Telugu. A little rough Telugu, but I do know to speak. So yeah. And chalo. My goal is to become a pharmacist, something related to medical. And I love medicines. I love reading about medicines are something which I absolutely love. So yeah, let's go to the next question. What got me in YouTube, like what has gone interest in me in YouTube? So I don't know. मेरी मम्मी हमेशा मुझे फोर्स करती थी like try to open a YouTube channel, let's have a social media. It was not my idea, it is all my mom's idea. She wanted me to open a YouTube channel and I could do this for her. So it's all for her. I did all this for her. I didn't have a my like thought of opening a YouTube channel, but yeah, it did happen. Okay. Do I have a childhood nickname? Yes, I do. My father calls me I. Like, I is not like mother or something. It's just like, I, come here. It's like that. Okay, I is very cute. Like, the way he calls me, it's like, I love it. And my mom called me Mamalu. She calls me like Mamalu, Rama. She's like that. She's so sweet. Okay, how many languages do I speak? I speak Telugu, I speak Hindi, I speak Marathi, I speak um, English, of course, and yeah, a broken Tamil and Malayalam, broken Malayalam as well. A little bit, konchum konchum. Okay, let's go for the next one. My favorite sport to play, swimming. Swimming is something that I absolutely love. My favorite food, chicken. Chicken is something that I can eat all day. Okay, what is my sibling doing right now? Okay, my sibling he is BTech final year. So yeah. And what is my favorite subject? I've already told you it's science. Science is something which I absolutely love, especially biology. Studying about human life is something that I loved. So yeah, let's go to the next question. Guys, I realized that I finished the first 20 questions. Now it's time. I will zoom up, okay. Now it's time for the next 30 questions. I finished the 20 questions so soon. I felt like it was soon. I don't know about you guys. Okay. Now, these are questions to know me better. Okay. Do I have any tattoos? No, guys, I'm in 12th. Why will I have tattoos? Okay. Okay, did I ever color my hair? No, this is my natural hair color. Okay. Do I have any ear piercings? If yes, how many? If no, okay. Yes, I do have one ear piercing over here in this spot. And let me tell you a little story time about this. My life has already been changed because of this ear piercing. I've already told you this thing in my first video. But yeah, I'm here again telling you and explaining you how much this ear piercing mean to me. But yeah, okay. Let's go to the next question. Do I like spicy food? I love spicy food. Spice is something that I like have a very much. I'm a Maharashtrian family, right? So our spice tolerance is like on the peak. So my spice tolerance is like more than that peak because I love spice. So yeah. What's the one thing in your bucket list? Hitting 1 million on YouTube. That's too much, but okay. This is something that I would love to one day. I hope this day comes soon. Okay. Do we have any family tradition? Yes, we do have a family tradition. It's something like it's what we do is like every festival or not only festival, anything we start, we do a puja. So like anything, a good day or a bad day or let it be anything, we do a puja. So yeah, puja is something that we do like most of the times, like not every single day, but any good day starts, or if I'm having an exam or anything new is going to come in our lives or anything bad is going in our life, anything, we just like one Deepak, we just put it near God and that's it. We just feel like that is something like we always do, that is something our tradition. Okay, now how do I spend my free time? Reading novels or on K dramas. This is something that I do most of the time. Yes. Okay. Then, what features do I like about myself? My eyebrows and my smile. My eyebrows I like just because nazar na lage. I put a nazar symbol over here. Okay. So I believe in nazar. I do believe in lots. Like nazar is something that I believe a lot. Okay. My eyebrows. My mom always tells me like you have good eyebrows. You have good features and all of that. Mummiya hai yaar. Every mummy tells like that. Let me zoom in a little. Yeah. So yeah, and my smile. My smile is something that everybody, let me tell you, till now, I think I've met so many people who have commented about my smile. Thank you so much, whoever liked my smile. It's fine. Okay, my dream vacation in India. Ladakh is something that I would love to visit. Someone please book tickets for me to Ladakh. I just want to visit Ladakh. Okay. What is my favorite dish? Chicken. Do I have a favorite dish to cook? Chicken. I cook chicken so well. Okay. My favorite dessert. Okay, now when it comes to sweet, I'm not a sweet person. I really don't like sweets. I just want to speak about one sweet, that is basundi. Basundi is like you make it with milk. Milk is boiled for like half an hour just to make, like, if you're using 1 liter, you make it half liter while boiling it. You make half of it and you add some spices and you add a lot of sugar in it. Oh, a lot of sugar, a lot of calories, but yeah, it's something that I love. Sweets are not my thing, not my taste buds really like it, but yeah, one sweet that I can think of is now basundi. Okay, what is the one thing I'm looking forward to? Having 1 million guys again. Okay, my comfort person, my mom. Whatever it is, my mom. I can go speak to her about anything in life. It's her. Mummy, I love you. Okay. What would my name be if it was not Ayushka? My name would be Roshni. Yes, my name would be Roshni because my brother's name was Rohan, so my mom wanted to keep my name as Roshni. Rohan, Roshni, like that. But my father didn't like the name Roshni, so he was like, let's keep Ayushka. And that's how my name existed. So, yeah. Okay, do I have a favorite childhood TV show or a movie? Something like, okay, I can think of one movie right now, which is Chain Kuli Ki Main Kuli. I loved that movie when I was a child and I still love it. And Tare Zaman Par was something that I used to adore when I was a kid. Because it was something that I used to feel like, okay, they understood what a kid feels when I was young. But yeah, I used to love that movie as well. Cartoons are not my thing, guys. Cartoons were never my thing because when I was in third, my mom just told me that it was all fake. So I was disappointed and I stopped it. So yeah, let's go to the next. Guys, I soon realized I finished these questions as well. Now we have the questions that is this or that. So yeah, am I okay? Tea or coffee? Guys, I'm so sorry to tea lovers. I'm coffee person. Okay. मुझे कॉफ़ी बहुत पसंद है. I live for coffee and my doctor warned me, you drink coffee another time you're gonna have like heavy headaches. So yeah, coffee is something that I love. Okay, now day or night? I'm an evening person, guys. It's not like I like daytime or like nighttime. I like to sleep day or night, but it's like evening times are my fave. So yeah, between 4 to like 7, 8 is my fave time. Sweet or hot or sour? Hot, spicy. Silence and noise. I love silence. Peace is something I always like wish to. Okay, going out or staying in? Going out like all weekdays, and weekends I like to stay in. I don't know, I'm like okay, minimalist or maximalist? I am minimalist. I like everything minimalistically. I am not a heavy person. I do not like heavy jewelry. I do not like heavy dresses. Simple person, peaceful person. So yeah, saver or spender? I was a saver, but recently I think I've become a spender. Like I spend a lot nowadays. Okay, Mac or PC? Mac. I am not into PCs, guys. I'm sorry. Introvert and extrovert? Extrovert in cameras and introvert in person. Okay, now comes the money or brain. Money with brain, guys. Yeah, money with brains. Okay, that was a good answer. Aura plus 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 plus, guys. Okay, now dogs or cats? I think I lived with dogs a lot. Like my entire life has gone in dogs. I had 4 pets. Before also I had another pets like fishes and all of that, but dogs were something I actually felt like calling them pets. So yeah, I had 4 dogs. So I am a dog person. Passenger or driver? Driver when it comes to mom and dad, and passenger princess when it comes to everyone. I'm a passenger princess. Passenger princess, okay. Rain or snow? I've never seen snow, guys, so I think I prefer rain, but if I experience snow, I guess it'll be snow. Bangs or no bangs? I have bangs which I cut by my own, like these are curtain bangs, they just grew. But yeah, I love having curtain bangs. So guys, it's now time to end up the video. So yeah, I hope you got to know about me a little more. But as soon as I hit 1 million, guys, I'm definitely going to do a Q&A. I know, like, I'm already setting up a thing, but yeah, it's my 5th video on YouTube, and 5 is something we believe as a number. This is good. So yeah, I wanted to make my 5th video as a shoot, and I've also realized that I didn't make a like introduction video. So yeah, this is what I am, and if you want to know me more, just keep your questions asking. I'll be collecting them for my future and make a big Q&A for an hour and then tell you who I am actually. So this was some small introduction about me. I guess the video is too long. I don't know. I've been shooting from like, I guess I was shooting from 11, now it's 12:06, 12:07 right now. So yeah, the video is too long. My brother hasn't come yet. He's outside. So yeah, I forgot that I had this. I wish I could drink this. So yeah, let's have a sip at least in the video. Okay. So it's time to end the video, and thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me all here. And please guys, give me a big support. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know what am I telling, cause I don't know, I felt a little emotional right now, cause I felt like this is something what is my mom's dream and it's quite coming true. So yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you guys. Lots of love from my side. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.